Hey, lo muntu uthini? Uthi akunamuntu eZimbabwe. Alright bafethu, sezimi manje again. Awuthi nginike ni-tour e-town, we're going to take a walk. Sibone ngempela ukuthi abekho abantu eZimbabwe la. Aya sambeni bafethu. Yeah, bafethu bakhona abantu eZimbabwe. Ubani uthe abekho abantu eZimbabwe? Bathi wonke amaZimbabwe ase-South Africa. Yini le? Naba abantu, everyone is just walking around like Zim. La maZimbabwe ase-South Africa is just a minority. Bekani ukuthi baningi kanjani abantu. Yababo babhaya kanjani abantu. So angazi ukuthi le mmene lithini lithi abantu abekho abantu bese-Zimbabwe e-South Africa eZimbabwe. Sabe bana sibabili. So bakhona abantu eZimbabwe. Danko. Nginika i-tour, nginibonisa ukuthi bakhona abantu eZimbabwe. Lento yena ukuthi wonke umuntu eSouth Africa hypnotized. Ufuza utshwala during the day.
Yeah, mina ngiyaphuza.
Hola Rasta.
Uthi yonke isikhathi. Futhi sonke isikhathi uthi yonke isikhathi.
I see.
Sephumiwe already.
Yeah, sure.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. There's a video of a South African man visiting Zimbabwe kesana. Uthi he wants to show people ukuthi bakhona abantu eZim, because people are saying ukuthi izimi empty bonke abantu basezimba la South Africa. Uthi oh ayikho lento leyo, bakhona abantu. So balabani baba comments ukuthi hayibo ku clean kangaka, then why bantu bete la South Africa, why maZimbabwe ntsathu gcwala la South Africa? Because sinayiphele indzawo siyayibona, this is lidorobha lakhona siyabona guys ukuthi kuhlobile, ku clean, ku right. People are even saying ukuthi hayibo abekho lapho bonya upisi njengoba sibona indzawo I clean. Oh, so people are saying ukuthi akho bad njena, then why bete la South Africa? Uthi lo girl lona noma ngabe bakhona lapho, but akushintshi the fact that inqumbi ema Zimbabweans ala South Africa. Oh, akhona nje la South Africa agqwele somewhere even asking the guy ukuthi elinjani likhwapha lapho. Hey guys, my comments bewamaningi kuleya post yalo bhuti because people were shocked ukuthi hey bukani there's a part of Zimbabwe lenhle ngalendlela you wouldn't even think ukuthi this is Zimbabwean if ngabe ngakasitshela ukuthi usezimo, you wouldn't know honestly because yinhle indzawo uyibuka. So people are confused ukuthi then why betela South Africa if live labo lingekho bad, but we don't know. We don't know. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.